Wow. I love you see the pilot's face and goes, oh shit, crap.
Apart from Herod.
Apparently.
We only need one pump and one tank.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah. I mean, it's the interesting thing is they're trying to get out of this using go-bys but then you budget stuff based on go-bys because you can't afford to determine schedule and cost.
I did see it, that was 4, I think.
Why would you want to reinvent the wheel? Yeah. But it's quite interesting. But after it, of course, did you have you read the contract summary? And I don't think there's actually I'm not even sure whether we have one. I mean, we've got the SOR, we've got like the things we have to read that, make sure we cite that. That's not the contract. So I'm not sure whether any of us actually think
There is the A400 following the same flight path more or less as the A380 did. This is a completely different airplane, as I was saying, 4 big turboprops, biggest in the world. Interestingly, they have the propellers going in opposite directions to minimise the... Although the very famous Hercules, the C-130, is an excellent workhorse, it can't carry the bigger vehicles and machinery that are now in service. It's also getting pretty old. And the alternative is to use the C-17, a big 4-jet military aircraft, but that's too big for any but the largest tactical operations. This airplane fits neatly in between the two. It's very roughly twice the capacity of the Hercules. The other advantage it has is, although it's a turboprop, it can fly pretty at jet speeds and at jet heights, which means that it can fit in with the jet air traffic and it can get pretty quickly to where it needs to go. It's also able to land on short and unprepared runways, even sand runways, and it can carry big loads directly into the theatre of military operations. Big loads, for instance, like large cranes, which are often needed after an earthquake, such as the one in Haiti. So humanitarian uses are many for this aircraft. And it's also a tanker. And the great thing about using this aircraft as a tanker is that its speed range is so great that it's fast enough to refuel the fast jets, but it's slow enough to refuel a helicopter. So a very flexible aircraft this. The Royal Air Force is taking delivery of several of these, and they're all stationed at Royal Air Force Rise Norton, near Oxford, near Whitney in the, until very recently, Prime Minister's constituency. And look at the angle of climb of that, and then look at the angle of bank. That's, I would say, more than 90 degrees of bank as they turn it in. They being Tony Flynn, former Royal Air Force test pilot, who's the left-hand seat. And François Brun in the right-hand seat, test flight engineer Edward. Sweden there. And small test flight engineers. The launch nations were Belgium, France, Germany, Luxembourg, Spain, Turkey, and the UK. So Malaysia, a total of 174 aircraft so far. Already in service of the French Air Force, on ops in Mali and Djibouti. I say, also in service with the Royal Air Force here. As a matter of interest, the lifetime cost of the A400 for the Royal Air Force estimated to be a few points. And not to be able to see, but here we go. Thank you. Not such a steep climb this time, but the wheels seem